Hello students, today we are here to study the second part of this chapter, 13th chapter, Swami Vivekananda ji ka Patra. Okay, so as you know, Swami Vivekananda was a great saint and great leader of India, isn't it? Then here he is writing a letter to his friend, not friend, his disciple about his struggles in life, how much he had to struggle in his life to achieve success. Okay, and he's writing about the tolerance also, faith and tolerance. Okay, the importance of faith in life, the importance of tolerance in his life, in everyone's life. Okay, so he is giving such a moral here by writing a letter to his disciple. Okay, children. So here we know that in first page we have explained the first page in the last class, and in that is in the letter we could see that he is writing about the expense of America, isn't it? He is saying about the expense of America, and first upon when he reached in Chicago in America, he realized that it's not easy for him to stay there more days. Okay, it's because of the expense. First upon he is saying about the expense here. Okay, now we'll continue the chapter, and you know that page number 94, the first paragraph, the last sentences. Okay, and he tells that what he dreamed so many things. That means he had a dream actually before coming to America. And he says that when I reached here in Chicago and in America, I felt that was always what I think, isn't it? That means it's about the expense. Thought that he can't stay more days here. And he's saying that again, देखो बार बार इच्छा होती है कि इस देश को छोड़कर चला जाओ. Again and again, that is many times he thought that he will leave this, he will go away from here, okay, from America, he can't stay more days here. परंतु फिर ध्यान आता है कि अपना उद्देश्य छोड़ना ठीक नहीं. But in between he is thinking about the purpose, for what purpose he reached here. For that purpose he need to stick there in America itself, okay, in Chicago. Okay, so मरूं या बचूं परंतु अपना उद्देश्य ना छोड़ूंगा. And at last he decided that मरूं या बचूं, even I will die here, maybe I'll die, or sometimes I'll escape from this. That means I can tolerate this. No, this expense, this situation, really it's the different situation and different culture, we can see in America. So he first of all he realized that he can't stay more days there with this in this society. Later he thinks that at any cost I have to be here, I have to work for my purpose. Okay, uddeshya. Even I'll die or escape, I have to be here, I will not leave my purpose. उद्देश्य को नहीं छोड़ूंगा. Okay, I'm not going to leave my purpose. I'm not going to run away from here. I'll be here in Chicago and I'll work for my purpose, my destination. Okay, so we'll read next paragraph now. निराश मत होना, कमर कसकर कार्य करने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. Maybe he is writing about the difficulties here to his disciple. Is giving some courage to his disciple here. Okay, and he says that nirash mat hona, maybe anything wrong happened with his disciple. That's why it's not written here what happened to his disciple, and he is giving confidence to his disciple like this, by saying like this, by writing like this, nirash mat hona, don't be disappointed. Okay, कमर कसकर कार्य करने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. कमर कसकर तैयार होना, what's mean that कमर कसना, getting ready to do something. That means at any cost when we decide something to do, that is known as कमर कसकर कार्य करने के लिए तैयार होना. Okay, कमर कसकर means no doubt at all in that. At any cost we will do the work. Okay, we will be ready for doing that work. So here he gives advice. Actually he is advising his disciple by saying like this, कमर कसकर कार्य करने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. You get ready to do your work, or don't be disappointed, don't be sad. Okay, भगवान ने हम लोगों को इसलिए भेजा है. भगवान, God Almighty had sent us for our purpose, isn't it? For fulfilling our purpose. We have to reach to our God destination. So God हमारे ईश्वर ने, गॉड ने हमें यहाँ इसलिए भेजा है क्या करने के लिए भेजा है? अपने उद्देश्य की पूर्ति के लिए भेजा है ना। मैंने अपने इतने से जीवन में अनेक यंत्रणाएं भोगी है। नाउ ही इज सेइंग अबाउट द डिफिकल्टीज, यंत्रणाएं, डिफिकल्टीज। ही सेज दैट मैंने अपने इतने से जीवन में, इतने से लाइफ में, इतने से जीवन में मतलब क्या है? इन दिस लाइफ, दैट मीन्स in this travel of my life, I tolerated much more, isn't it? So did more difficulties. I just met with a lot of difficulties in my small life. अपने प्राणों से भी प्यारे आदमियों को भूखों मरते देखा है। I have seen my dear people, प्राणों से भी प्यारे मतलब the people whom I loved so much, more than my life. I like them. I consider them more than my life. What's in pay that dearest people? I like my favorite people. That means the what do you call, the people those are near to me. I love them so much. So I have seen many people died because of starving. That means due to hunger, isn't it? So I told you know here in America all the things are very expensive. So some people cannot stick in that means stay in America. So I have seen a lot of people dying day by day, it means daily, because of starving, no food for them. Okay, so लोगों का उपहास सहन किया है. Not only that, I had tolerated many people's insult, है ना. उपहास, उपहास यानी fun, make उपहास करना क्या है? To laugh at someone, to make fun of someone. Here insult. Okay, I have tolerated many people's insult. Okay, many people insulted me and I had tolerated that also. परंतु मैं इससे घबराया नहीं. But I didn't scare about such people. Okay, I'm not afraid now also. जो लोग मेरी हंसी उड़ाते हैं तथा मेरी अवज्ञा करते हैं, उन्हीं के लिए मैंने ये सब सुख दुख भोगे हैं. Yes, the people those are laughing at me, हंसी उड़ाना, to make fun of me. The people those are laughing at me, that means they are making fun of me. तथा मेरी अवज्ञा करते, the people those are insulting me, ignoring me or insulting me, उन्हीं के लिए, for them I have tolerated everything. Okay, I don't scare about them. I just tolerated, smiled at them and tolerated everything. संसार में कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं जो दूसरों के दुख से दुखी होकर रोते हैं. In our world, some people are the such people, like we can see that the people those are what they are doing, दूसरों के दुख से दुखी होकर रोते हैं. The people those are crying, seeing others' sadness. Okay, that means the poor people, seeing poor people's life. Some people are there, then such people are here around us. Those who are becoming very sad or very sympathy, that means showing very sympathy towards, feeling so pity for others. Isn't it? We are also like that, no? Whenever see any needy people, maybe any sad person will also become sad, isn't it? So the same, Swami Vivekananda says that such people are here around us. और उन्हें उनके दुखों को बांटने का उपाय करते हैं, बांटने का उपाय करते हैं, दुखों को बांटना, to share the problems. That means, yeah, such people are here, those who are becoming very sad due to others' sorrow. That means seeing others' problems, they will be very sad and they will be ready to share their problems, share their sadness, sorrows. बांटना, दुखों को बांटना, to share the problems. Okay. ऐसे लोगों को इतना अवकाश कहाँ है कि वे दूसरों की भली बुरी बातें सुने. Yes, such people will not get time to, अवकाश means time, free time to listen to the people, those who are insulting him. Okay, insulting them. I am also such a person. I am here to solve the problems of the sad people, isn't it? So I don't care about the people those who are insulting me. I don't care about the insult what I am getting from them. Okay, I don't have time for that. Okay, भली बुरी बातें सुनना, to hear the what you call bad words from them. There is no time for me to hear the bad things from them. Okay, I don't care about them. उन्हें तो अपने काम से काम रहता है. That means such people, including me. I am also such a person who is ready to hear the sorrows of other people, who is ready to share the sorrow of other people, pain of others, isn't it? So I will be busy with my work, in my work. अपने काम से I am bothering about only my work. Okay, such people are there around me. So think about such people. You also should. So Swami Vivekananda is advising his disciples saying this. You also it is his intention to say to his shishya. है ना, क्या है intention? To make him more courageous. Okay, make him more confident. And he wanted to make him what more confident, and he is saying to him that don't be disappointed, don't be sad, don't think about the people those are insulting you, okay, ignoring you. You just think about your work. You concentrate in you only, in your work. For what purpose you are here, you do that. Okay, work for your purpose. Okay, tolerate all these bad situations, difficulties. Okay, it is his advice to his disciple. Now let us move to the next small paragraph. संसार में कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं, that we have done no. Yes, now we will move to next one. किसी की सहायता पर विशेष भरोसा न करना. Next advice. Next he is advising his disciple by writing like this. किसी की सहायता पर क्या नहीं करना चाहिए? विशेष भरोसा नहीं करना चाहिए. ना करना. Don't believe in anyone's help. Okay, don't. That means we should not wait for anyone's help. किसी की सहायता पर भरोसा, भरोसा यानी ट्रस्ट करना, बिलीव. ओके, डोंट बिलीव इन एनीवन्स हेल्प. ओके, डोंट वेट फॉर एनीवन्स हेल्प. भरोसा करना तो केवल अपने ऊपर और भगवान पर. किस पर हमें भरोसा करना है? वी शुड ट्रस्ट ओनली इन गॉड. और अपने ऊपर भी, not only in God, we have to trust, we need to trust ourselves also, isn't it? That means we have to trust ourselves. We are more confident, we can do that, we can help ourselves, isn't it? Ourselves. So here स्वामी विवेकानंद का क्या एडवाइस है, उपदेश क्या है? भरोसा करना है तो केवल अपने ऊपर. You believe yourself, believe in you and God also, the God Almighty, ईश्वर पर. किसी प्रकार की चालाकी की आवश्यकता नहीं है. चालाकी means cleverness, cunning. Okay, don't do any cunning thing. That means don't be so cunning. Okay, nothing will happen if you are doing such things. That means if you are behaving like that, no benefit for that. चालाकी से कुछ होता ही नहीं है. You can't do anything with cunning character. दुखी मनुष्यों के लिए भगवान से प्रार्थना करो. दुखी मनुष्यों के लिए हमें क्या करना है? प्रार्थना करना है. We should pray for the needy people, the sad people. That we have to do. Okay, believe in God and yourself, in you. Believe in you, trust yourself. Then pray to God. Prayer is a very important thing. Important solution for everything. सहायता मिलेगी और अवश्य मिलेगी. Yes, definitely you will get help if you are praying to God. If you pray to God, you will definitely get help. Don't depend on anyone for getting help. That means don't depend on others for help. God will help you definitely. मैं आज 12 वर्षों से यही पापड़ बेल रहा हूँ. अनेक धनी तथा बड़े लोगों के द्वार पर गया हूँ. मैं आज 12 वर्षों से 12 years I have been here for 12 years and I am struggling here, isn't it? And धनी और बड़े लोगों के द्वार पर भी मैं गया हूँ. I just went to reach to the wealthy people for seeking help. I met many wealthy people, rich people, बड़े लोग, बड़े लोग, and I met them for some help, seeking for help and all. But उसने सहायता की जगह जुआरी और चोर आदि की उपाधियां ही मिली है. उनसे क्या मिली है मुझे? I didn't get any help from them, from rich people and the famous people. I didn't get any help. Okay, they didn't help me. Instead of helping, I got only some rewards from them. That is, chor ki. Chor means just like thief. They behave to me like I am a thief. And juari, that means juari means gambler actually. You know that gambling. What's big gambling? It's a risky game, isn't it? So just like that, I became my life became very confused. That means I am very confused when I went there and met such a rich people. I didn't get any help from them. Okay, so I got some rewards from them. That is only rewards of what chore, that means thief. They considered me as a thief maybe, or gambler. They behaved me as gambler. That means my life was in risk actually. Gambling, you know very well, it is what luck factor there in that game. We cannot believe in that game, isn't it? Maybe we'll lose or gain in that game. So I didn't get anything. It was just like a what you call gambling. Okay. So here he wants to say that you don't believe in others' help. You just believe in you and in God. किंतु भगवान अनंत शक्तिमान है, यह मैं अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ. पर ईश्वर भगवान द गॉड इज वेरी पावरफुल. यह मैं अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ. आई नो दिस वेरी वेल. वे मेरी सहायता अवश्य करेंगे. डेफिनेटली द गॉड मीन्स गॉड ऑलमाइटी विल हेल्प मी. आई नो दैट. अवश्य मीन्स डेफिनेटली, शोज द श्योरिटी. उन्हीं से प्रार्थना करो. प्रे टू गॉड. वे दीन दरिद्र तथा पतितों का उद्धार करेंगे. डेफिनेटली द गॉड ऑलमाइटी विल what lift the poor people. Daridra, deen daridra means the poor and the needy people. Patita means the people those are in what you call the low level, those who are not wealthy, those who are not having wealth. Okay, the people those who are at a very low level, that's be patita. So there will be upliftment by God, isn't it? So believe in God, trust in God. So bhavadiya, so he is concluding the letter by writing bhavadiya. Bhavadiya means politely. Who is writing this letter? That letter person is saying himself that bhavadiya. Okay, bhavadiya Vivekanand. Okay, so do you like this story? It's not actual story, actually it is a letter, and it's a real one actually, isn't it? So I hope that all of you like this advice, Vivekanand ji ka advice, isn't it? It's very informative for us also. So read the chapter very well and study all meanings, exercises, that means mainly Paryavachi, opposites. Okay, idioms are also given here. So in next class we'll read all these exercises and study. So study dictation words, meanings, question answers, everything. So one more class is there in which I will take the exercises, the grammar section for you. Okay then children, see you next time in next class. Thank you.